Hey guys, it's Kel and welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been MIA lately. There's just been a lot of stuff going on and a lot of stress and just been a lot going on, and I just haven't had the motivation or time to get on here and to film anything, but I am feeling better now and want to get back on into it. And today we are actually taking all 8 birds into the pet shop to get grooming done. So I figured I'd take everybody along on that. I have to get everybody in their carriers and we're gonna go get the birds groomed. So let's go. I just wanted to hop on here and correct myself. What are you doing? And correct myself. It's not a pet shop that I'm taking my birds to be groomed. It is actually the Parrot shop where they do professional grooming. Like they actually have like the owner, he has a vet tech come in and they actually do professional grooming. So I'm not just like taking them to PetSmo or something like that, and not just like taking them to a regular pet store to be groomed. They're actually going to a professional shop that handles grooming. So I just wanted to correct on that. So everybody is packed up in their carriers. We got the lovies, who are very unhappy. These two, Tiki and Mango, they're also very unhappy about this. There's Vegas. Rio, who's complaining, who thinks yelling and complaining helps. And these two little guys. I'm one carrier short, so I have to put them together. These two over here, the Lovebirds and Tiki and Mango, actually live together, so they're used to it. But I was one carrier short, but these two seem to get along really well, so I am gonna just put them in the same one for now. If there's any problems, Fiji here, the pink one, he is super tame, so if I have to in the car, I could take him out and put him in my coat pocket or something, and he'll be fine. So, yeah. The flock is ready to go get groomed. Alright, we're on the road with all the birds. I'm going to show you everybody in the car. Up front with me, we got these littles. We got the lovies. There they are. Not looking less than happy. We got back there, we got some Rigo, Vegas, and over there are the other two. Hi, Tex. Hello, Jim.
Hello, how are you?
Alright, we're on the road. Hi, Rio.
Another Dodge Journey. Yeah, that.
loud. Will you say hello for me? No, hello. Say hello. Say hello. Hi, yeah, hi. Yeah. Hello. Hello, Parker. Hi, good boy. Hello, good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. You're so cute.
He's pissed.
What's the matter, Pickle? Hi, Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy. Hello. Hi, Jimmy. You are crazy, aren't you? You're a crazy girl. You're a crazy girl. Hi, Bird. Hi, Bird. Oh, hi, Parker. Hi, Bird. Hello, Bird. Yeah. Everybody got their grooming done, and we're back on the road heading home. Rio's mad because he had to get his beak done too. Yeah, Rio's so mad. These guys aren't too happy either. And there's the lovies, they're sulking. Heading back home. Alright, so everybody's back home. There's Rio, he's not happy. He's very cranky. Oh, their cages. These guys also sulking. He's checking his foot because he doesn't like that he got it groomed. Yeah. He apparently was starving. All these two also doing their thing. Everybody's eating. Yeah, you're doing your thing too. So everybody's back home. I'm gonna go grab some lunch before work. And it is already dark, and it's only 3:30 right now, and it's already getting dark out, and my room is pitch black, so I gotta leave some lights on for them. And I'm gonna go get lunch and head to work. So you're a fan of gyros, this is the greatest gyro of all times. So good.
It's over, Jeff.
Alright, that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. So I come into work, and this is what I see. Barney at her desk. Sad part is this is actually pretty normal behavior for around here. Oh yeah. The men I work with are smartasses, so I put this adorable little sign up in our kitchen area, and this is what they change it to.